This is a real quick video. I haven't been on YouTube in a minute. Been a lot of life changes and some great opportunities that came forth, and had to react on it really in a dynamic, fast way. But I'll say this to anyone. Life is about leaps of faith. But in the course of leaps of faith, never be afraid to reinvent yourself, because it will truly pay off. And I can say that even at my age, in my late 40s, you're never too old to learn, and you're never too old to reinvent yourself. No matter what age you are, there is still opportunity. And my late parents moved here to the United States from another country, from Jamaica. And despite everything that is going on in the world, and even currently, this is still the land of opportunity, and it's what you make of it. Just don't give up on it. Because I know if I gave up, I would have been lost with so many opportunities that presented itself. And those opportunities is not just life related, not just career related, but even love related. All I can say is never say never, because you never know what can present itself in your life. So this is a quick video and more to come, but I just wanted to quickly touch bases that never be afraid to reinvent yourself and take those leaps of faith. Redesign, rebuild, reclaim.